Do you hear hissing, buzzing, or crackling in your ears when there is no noise around you? This is called tinnitus. If it happens occasionally, don't panic. But if it's constant, be careful. It could be a warning sign of a real health problem. Here are 5 diseases that chronic tinnitus can reveal. Watch closely until the end. It could really concern you. Number 1, hearing loss. When the cells in your inner ear are damaged, they send false signals to your brain. Result, phantom noises. Number 2, infections or earwax blockage. An inflamed or blocked ear changes the pressure and triggers that famous buzzing. Number 3, high blood pressure. Too much pressure in your blood vessels can cause pulsating noises in the ears. Number 4, jaw disorders, called TMJ. A joint problem in the jaw can affect the nerves near the ear and trigger tinnitus. Number 5, neurological diseases like multiple sclerosis that can alter the auditory pathways in the brain. So if this noise is permanent, it's not to be taken lightly. In my next video, I will share natural ways to relieve tinnitus and protect your hearing. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. And above all, follow me for more useful health tips.